Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do panning on Capcut. So after you add your clips, click on a clip and then zoom the clip a little bit like this. And then add a keyframe at the beginning, at the middle, and at the end of the clips. And then add the second keyframe. Zoom out the clips to its original place, like this. And then go in between the first and second keyframes, then go to grabs and select the bounce tree grabs. Okay, this one. So here is the final result for the panning effect. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also please click on the thanks below. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.